What's the Deal Live out here in Garland, Texas, and a 32 unit. What do we know about this one, James?
Yeah, so this property, I mean, is a well-occupied property, 1980s property, that two-story. It's close to the lake out here. A first-time buyer who wants to get started in the business, and so 32 units, good size.
Is that a part-time property management or is that full-time?
Yeah, I mean, you probably just need someone who can come out and lease units. I mean, this property's been well occupied for a long time.
Yeah, it looks like we've got about 8 units per building, and so that's 4 total buildings on this property. Looks pretty nice. The neighboring property kind of has a similar structure. So what were you saying, that sometimes they sell them as condos and then somebody will buy them out?
Yeah, so in the 80s, a lot of buildings were put together as apartment units, and then some were done as condos, right? So some people wanted. So when you look at these properties, you want to figure out, is it a fractured condo or is it one parcel? Most people, there's going to be an advantage to owning these all together. Fannie and Freddie will do these, but if it's a fractured condo, then you're going to need probably at least, I think, 75% of the units for Fannie and Freddie to take a look at it.